going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Say Libra was something of lit a bit of a fire. This is something we've been focused on digital currencies for a couple decades. This is something we've been focused on digital currencies for a couple decades.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher, and guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. Also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. And then also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon, and I also keep you up with the New World Order events. And then plus, much love to those who purchase at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, and as we can see, we've definitely lifted off. We know we have open interest at this time, but we know we'll have a pullback on Friday. Now, we know Ethereum right now is pumping, but we know Ethereum options in Friday, and we know we're going to have that pullback. So, guys, make sure that you're paying attention to the actual indicators. That's volume, tether, and USDC. Plus, we have the Fed, which we know that are manipulating those yields on a daily basis, talking about trillions of dollars. And then also we have Grayscale. Do not keep your eye off Grayscale, because we know when open interest happens, they buy into it, and that helps pump the market temporarily, and then we know they start selling. So guys, do not keep your eye off the Grayscale whale. Anytime you're buying and selling billions, it's going to swing the market. Now we have Shiba gains over 30% in just 2 days as Kraken announces the Shiba listing. But guys, we know it had a pullback. We know it's open interest time. It was going to move up anyway. Do not allow the distractions to happen. We know Shiba, Doge, that this ways of getting in adoption, plus for these traders to make millions or billions of dollars. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have Crypto.com and Silvergate to enable institutions to buy and sell crypto with the dollar. And guys, we know this was coming because this is the easiest way to transition them over to regular cryptos or stable coins. We know Crypto.com has made some powerful moves, moving the New World Order agenda along. The biggest move was, of course, the Staples Center. Now we have HBAR and Korea's Shinhan Bank partners with the Korean won stablecoin pilot. And guys, we know the Asian connection. We know the emerging markets are going to lead us into this 4th industrial revolution, where robots, algorithms, and drones replace humanity in the workforce. Remember what crypto means. Hidden message. These cryptos are not for us, guys. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. We have the CBDC as a tool to combat Bitcoin says Bank of Indonesia executive. And when it comes to the Hegelian dialectic, we know that we're going to have Bitcoin and we're also going to have CBDCs, but they're all going to be controlled by the New World Order. Remember, Bitcoin and cryptos are for the robots. We're going to have the digital yuan, which is going to be that new world reserve currency, backed by that digital SDR. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have the BIS Innovations Hub partners with the Fed to support analysis of digital assets. And guys, we know this is nothing but a part of the plan. We know that the Fed has been studying cryptos forever. They printed all these dollars to destroy the dollar so cryptos can rise. Now we have former Citi banker launches $1.5 billion crypto fund and taps Algorand as first partner. And guys, we're seeing billions and billions of dollars coming into crypto to build this new digital economy. We know the old way legacy markets that we used to do things are going to get transitioned onto blockchain and then tokenized. Now we have Kelly Strategic Management files for Ethereum Futures ETF. And we know the casino keeps getting bigger and bigger because all the thing they want to do is bet on the actual price. And lastly, guys, we have SoftBank invest $150 million in South Korean metaverse platform Zepeto. And guys, gamification, that word, is going to move the millennials and Generation Z into virtual reality. They're no longer going to be wanting to be in the real world. Remember, guys, there is going to be a great event where they want you inside your home. So if you're inside the home all day, what do you want to do? You're going to want to go inside of this metaverse, travel the land. If you can't get on a plane and go, what do you want to do? You're going to put on those glasses or whatever device they have so you can travel to another country on your couch. That's where we're actually going. Yes, it sounds unbelievable. But what do I teach you? Your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. Because the crypto teacher knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID 33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.